certainly issues that we all are facing today in our society and our daily political life. I remember very clearly that Mahatma Gandhi said that, without women's role in public life, India, for that matter, any nation cannot be complete and developed. So if we start off from there, I think our constitution provides for gender equality. Successive prime ministers, right from Jawaharlal Nehru to Indira ji and then Rajiv ji, they all had a very clear focus that women need to be empowered in India and how best can this be taken care of. So we've had a lot of legislations and enactments that have come in which are assuring that women are provided that safeguards. They are provided a place in the society which they can play an active role. But to actually say what is the role of women in the coming days in modern India, I think would be doing a disservice to them. Because this nation would not have existed without you. I mean, without women and women's active participation in everything that our country is doing, right from the days of independence, right from the days of Mahatma Gandhi ji's call for freedom, when there were so many who came forward and sacrificed their families and their assets for the single-minded devotion and dedication to get freedom for our country, I think we have come a long way. Today, some of the issues which Chandana ji has raised, and I think I would like to start with a personal note. Though I am the son of a former chief minister, I want to be very clear that I entered politics in 2003. My father pretty much retired from active politics in 1985. So, he never encouraged the family to come into politics. Even in 2003, when I wanted to come into politics, he was very, very skeptical. But I had visited a few villages in Khammam district, and I saw the poverty that was there, and I thought it's about time that maybe few of us should come into politics and try and make a difference. And that's what motivated me and made me work for the Congress Party. Congress Party was quick to recognize people like us and gave us the right